Listen, you ain't never had no pasta like this, a little Italian mixed with that dirty South flavor. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this creamy jambalaya pasta. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, back here we have our pasta noodles here. It looks like fettuccine to me, but it starts with a T. I cannot say that name and I'm not gonna try. Cause man, every time I make a pasta, I get the Italians in my comment section as if they own the rights to any type of pasta being made. So I'm just gonna leave it at, it looks like fettuccine noodles. Right here we have our chicken thighs here. I cut them in bite-sized pieces. Celery, heavy whipping cream, Cajun seasoning, garlic, butter, shrimp, andouille sausage, Parmesan cheese, red onion, smoked paprika, a green bell pepper, red bell pepper, black pepper, olive oil, and chopped garlic. So that's all we're gonna use. Let's get to it. All right, so now we're at our stove. I brought our water up to boil. We're gonna drop our pasta noodles in here, and we're gonna let this cook until al dente, about 8 minutes. And while our pasta is cooking, we're gonna head over to our other pan and start preparing our protein, all right? All right, we're gonna start off by heating up some butter, or melting some butter, I'm sorry, and a little olive oil. As that butter melts, we're gonna add our shrimp. And we're gonna cook these 1 to 2 minutes per side. All right, so after that 4 minutes, we're gonna get our shrimp removed. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our chicken. And something I forgot to do with the shrimp was hit it with some Cajun seasoning, but we'll be okay with it. We're gonna hit this, we ain't gonna forget our chicken with that Cajun seasoning. It wasn't sitting in front of me. So we're gonna hit that with some Cajun seasoning. We'll be okay with that. It's not gonna be the end of the world. And we're gonna cook that chicken until it's cooked all the way through. All right, so now we're good with our chicken. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. We're gonna put this in a bowl too. And I'm just gonna put it in the bowl with my shrimp because it's all gonna go back in the same pot at the end. And I don't mind my food touching, well, some of my food. I don't like when my cornbread touch the juice for my greens. Nah, I don't like that. So let's get this last protein done. We'll add our sausage. If you have to add any more butter or olive oil, feel free to do so. We'll add a little bit more olive oil here. All right, so now our sausage are good. We're gonna go ahead and get these babies out of here too, as well. We're gonna set these aside. Next, we're gonna add our red peppers, our green bell peppers, and our onions. And we're gonna cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes, letting these veggies soften, start to caramelize a little bit. Oh guys, let's not forget our celery. All right, so after that 5 minutes and our veggies slightly softened, we're gonna go in with our garlic. We're gonna let this rock out for about 30 seconds. After that 30 seconds, we're gonna go in with our heavy whipping cream. We're gonna bring this to a slight simmer. Once it comes up to a simmer, we're gonna reduce our heat and we're gonna let this rock out for the next 2 to 3 minutes, letting that cream reduce until it thickens slightly. All right, after that 2 to 3 minutes and that sauce slightly thickened, we're gonna go in with our Cajun seasoning, our black pepper, our smoked paprika. We're gonna get that baby mixed in like this. This is the time you want to test your foundation and add more salt and pepper as needed. We need a little bit more salt in here. For me, Don't be heavy-handed with the Cajun seasoning because some of it is very hot. You never notice the heat level. So I don't want to season it with more Cajun seasoning. I'd rather do it with our salt. Now that works right there. Now we're gonna go in with our Parmesan cheese. We're gonna stir this in until it melts. All right, so now after that cheese melt, we're going in with our protein, the sausage, the chicken, and the scrimps. We're gonna get that baby mixed in here like this. And once you get that mixed in, last but not least, our pasta. We're going back in with our pasta. Of course, that pasta is gonna loosen up. I'm gonna turn our heat off. And we're just gonna mix this up. Guys, if you got a little pasta water, which I held on to, you wanna add that. I usually save me about a fourth of a cup to half a cup. All right, guys, it looks like we are good. And let's head over to our cutting board. All right, so take a look at what we have right there. We're gonna add a little green stuff to this. And this is right here is some flat leaf parsley. I don't have any regular parsley at the moment. Figure this flat leaf will work, bring out that color. Doesn't matter, we just need that green stuff. Y'all know we just need the green stuff. And there you have it, creamy jambalaya pasta. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. I know y'all drooling on the other side of that screen. Let's get to it. All right, this quality control, man. Take a look at this right here. Ooh, man. Come through the screen, grab it. Oh, man. Hey, I can already tell this baby chickeny, sausagey, noodly, shrimpy. Oh, man, we got shrimp, sausage, chicken, and noodle. Man, I'm about to cabbage patch. Oh, man. That baby creamy too, son. But add this one to your list and move it up to the top. So, until then, y'all already know I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.